Today I am going to show you how you can set up a budget-friendly beginner's YouTube video without breaking the bank. And stay with me to the end of this video so that you get all the information that I have to give you, and also showing you my own filming equipment and how I buy them on a budget. All that coming up right after this. Yeah, my main camera right now is Canon T6i, and this camera is worked very well for me. I got it during Boxing Day sale some years ago, even before I decided I was going to go into the YouTube thing. Now, first up is this: start with what you have. I have seen videos of massive YouTube studio, and I've seen videos that is a small YouTube studio just like my own, and that's why I'm very comfortable to show you my studio today, to let you know that you can start from where you are right now, and you don't have to go and spend a lot of money to get all this equipment, especially if you're starting out as a YouTuber for the first time, because down the road you may realize that, oh, this is not for me. So what are you going to do with all the money you spent buying all those equipment? So start with what you have. You can even start with your phone. See, there are so many information on YouTube that you can watch and see how you can record or start your YouTube channel with your phone. And if that is something you want me to a content you would like me to work on and put a video out there for you to see, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. Now, with your camera, you're going to be needing a microphone. Yes, the camera comes with a built-in microphone, but it's not as good as external microphone. So for me, I got this Rode Link Filmmaker microphone. Again, you don't have to go for this expensive. This is a bit expensive, but the reason I go for this is because I will be launching my production company very shortly into movie production, into filmmaking. So this comes handy for me. That way I can use this for my YouTube videos, and also we can use it on set for our filming production jobs. Yes, so that is that. And you will be needing SD card. Now for SD card, I would say buy two, have one as backup in case you lose one or something happen, one is not working. You don't want to be ready to film and you press record, your SD card is not working and you don't have any other one substitute. It happened to me a few weeks ago. My son was playing with my SD card, and up till now I couldn't find it, but my production process did not shut down because of that. Why? Because I have an extra SD card on hand. So that is that one. And then for my mic, I need a battery, so I got this battery. It's quite a lot, so it's going to last me for a while. So, and then every time I finish recording, I remove the battery from the microphone. I store them here so I can reuse them again and again until they are no longer usable. And another thing I want to show you that you need to have is your storage, external drive for storing all your content, because if you leave all your content on your device, on your computer, it's going to fill up all your memory in no time. So having an external drive like this to store your content is very important, and I would recommend get two, so that in case one is acting up, you switch to another one without having to figure out how to repair that one. So yeah, for me, I have two. Then I have these are the cameras I currently have 18 to 55 mm, which is the one I'm currently recording on, and then I have this 50 mm that I use also, and I have the 75 to 300 mm. I think this one is for outdoor majorly, so I rarely use this one. And then what else do I have right now? And then I recently got this GoPro 360. I love the fact that it could shoot 360 angle. I'm beginning to get into start using it, but so far I love the output of this GoPro. Now I currently use one light, which is my ring light. I'm going to switch to GoPro and show you guys how my entire studio production is. And then I have my Mac laptop, and then I have the iMac as well. I love the iMac because it makes editing work easy because of the white landscape, so I'm able to edit faster on the iMac. But I also utilize my MacBook Pro as well. And then my tripod is from Manfrotto. Again, like I said before, you don't need to spend too much money. Some of the things I got from like the Manfrotto, is the brand new one is very expensive, so I sourced for this one from secondary market. So, and I saw somebody that posted it's as good as new, and yeah, very good at a very good price. You won't even believe it, you see. So those are another option you can consider in sourcing for your equipment too. Like if you can afford the brand new one, yeah, go to the store, buy a brand new one. But if not, there are other options by buying, such as buying from the secondary market, like Facebook Marketplace. It's a good sourcing place where you can source for the same items at a good price. Because some people buy this thing, they don't use it for a long time and they want to give it away. Like the guy I got my Manfrotto tripod from, he said he bought it, you know, with the intention of going into photography, and not too long after then he realized that the photography thing is not for him. So I bought it from him at a very discounted price. So those are the options you can consider as you move forward in the journey of building your studio. Don't go out there spending too much money. If you have it, fine, go ahead. If not, there are alternatives to getting what you need to be able to be successful on YouTube. Now I am going to, let me show you this. The ring light comes with this bag. So at the end of every production, I'm able to store the ring lights in the bag, which makes my process easy for me, because like I tear down at the end of every production. Like here, these are home office, so my kids study here, we all utilize this room, so I don't have the luxury of leaving my setup and come back to meet it. No way, it's not possible. Yeah, this is the bag for the Manfrotto tripod. Very solid bag, kind of lovely. So at the end of my production, all I have is just these two bags. See? Yeah, so that's my process for you. Yeah, so let me switch to GoPro and I'll show you how the setup looks like when I'm seated to produce. You see my setting? See that? So that's the Neewer light. That's the way I'm sitting right now. And that is how I set my laptop as my external monitor. So I get to see myself. You see, as I'm talking, you see, and you see the way everything is tracking there, the sound. This is so amazing. Okay, so now this is my table. And these are all the stuff that I just showed you. And let me see if I can show you. seeing what I'm doing right now. But I'll check during editing to see if it comes across like. Now the next thing I want to show you is the view like when I'm seated. So yeah, that is how it is when I'm talking to the camera, I'm talking to you like, oh, thank you for watching. Yeah, so that is all we will be covering today, and I hope all this information are helpful to you that you can utilize in your existing channel, or if you intend to start one. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are yet to subscribe, I will appreciate if you can subscribe. Please click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I upload a new video.